Welcome back, guys. People who like cars are interested in what will be possible in 2025. A lot of talk has been going on about the 2025 Model S Plaid's features, how well it's supposed to perform, and, of course, how much it will cost. It is likely that the 2025 model will cost more because it will have better speed, technology, and design. With a starting price of over $150,000, the Model S Plaid is likely to be the most expensive luxury electric car. This new electric car is said to make driving more enjoyable with its cutting-edge performance, added features, and maybe even a full redesign. Three main types are 3-motor all-wheel drive, 2-motor all-wheel drive, and single-motor rear-wheel drive. Use the Checkerboard model to get around. The Plaid model could be the fastest mass-produced car ever made. It is expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. This is a big step forward for Tesla and will solidify its position as a leader in the efficiency of electric vehicles. The range projections are much better than those for the current Model S Plaid. There are reports that the 2025 Model S Plaid will be a lot of fun and interesting to drive. Get more done and look great at the same time. The front has LED headlights and taillights and no hood, making it look stylish and up to date. The panoramic glass roof adds to the feeling of room. The slim profile and 21-inch alloy wheels make the car look better and make it easier to drive. Chrome accents and flush door handles make it look sleek and classy, while a simple hood and LED light strip at the back make it look sporty. With Tesla's new 4680 battery, a huge change is possible. Since it came out in 2020, this unique battery pack has had trouble being made. If you put it in the Model S, though, you can go more than 400 miles on a single charge. Tesla says that this new design makes the range up to 16% longer. With these changes to the structure, there may be more room for goods and people, and the 7-seat third-row jump seats may come back. Thanks for watching.